and run away from home, or they end their life. After that, no point of crying, no point of just shedding your tears, and no point of regrets. And for me, it was very, very tough to really look at my life and say, God, how can I really use my life when everybody says I'm useless? And when it really went to that path, at 16 I contemplated to commit suicide, and that's when I heard the voice of Jesus Christ, who said that, people in the back, can you please be a little quiet? Thank you. Yeah. And you know, it was at the age of 16 that I heard the voice of Jesus, that he said, even though you are called useless, I still need you. You know, today I know what it means to be useful. You know, I was invited in Myanmar. I just came this morning. I left Myanmar this morning at 8:30 was my flight. And yesterday was the historical concert for them. First time in the history of Myanmar, they had their open-air Christmas concert. There were 10,000 people who came, and I was invited from India to come and perform over there. But with all these historical things, it's easy for me right now as a well-known musician. But at 16, I was nobody, and I was completely written off by my family. And yet it was Jesus Christ who transformed my life, who really made me. Here, please, you can keep that, no problem. No point of settling down things. It's already, we are already having challenges. We leave it as much as we can. So, but I want to tell you that if God could transform, and even for a person like me with 40% lungs, to play an instrument like this is nothing but a miracle. You know, with 40% lungs to play the pan flute is impossible. And when God inspired me to play this instrument, I was just shocked. And I told God, you have to give me the capacity of lungs that I need to blow this instrument. Because just with 40%, even to climb the stairs in the aeroplane is difficult. Many times I have collapsed in the plane because of my lung capacity. But to play this instrument is nothing but, it is nothing but a miracle for me. And as I play this song, I just want to encourage you. It's no matter what you are going through, or might be some of you have come to the point of a crossroads in life where you might think that, you know, nothing good can really come out of this broken situation. But if God can use 40% lungs to really help you to play an instrument like this, then there is nothing impossible for Him to do in your life. And that is the message of Christmas, actually. You know, there was a group of people who were really looking for deliverance from their bondage, and it was Jesus who came and gave the deliverance. And today for me, He delivered me from sin, from sickness, from challenges in life. And as I play this song, this is a very old song. Probably most of you might recognize. It was sung and made famous by Louis Armstrong. It's called What a Wonderful World. And truly, my life became wonderful once Jesus was born in my life. Until that point, it was meaningless, it was completely worthless as such. So once we,